Hi everybody, welcome to the Ultimate Salsa Training Series, the only videos that you will ever need for all the proper foundations of salsa. This series is for first-time salsa dancers as well as people who have been dancing but want to go back and learn all the proper foundations and clean up their dancing. My name is Danny Kalman. I will be your coach. I'm a full-time professional dancer based here in Los Angeles, California. I'm here to bring you everything I've learned from over a decade of training around the world with every kind of instructor, from regular instructors to world champions, spending over $10,000 in group lessons and private lessons. I love to perform, I love to compete, and I love to teach. So I'm making this series to bring this information to the world, to bring it to you for free. Today I'm dancing with the beautiful and amazing Aileen Rose, also a professional dancer based here in Los Angeles. She's absolutely incredible, so I'm delighted to dance with her today. All right, we're going to get started with our very first lesson, starting at the very beginning with the basic step. Before we do, you'll notice that I'm wearing two different color shoes. This is just to help you see which foot is going in which place. The left foot has the red shoe, the right foot has the black shoe. If I were out social dancing, I would wear different shoes. I might wear, for example, this here. This is a Latin heel. Or if I were performing, I might wear something like this, patent leather, a lower heel or a Latin heel. Both are fine. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to be wearing these shoes to help you guys out. So, we are going to start with our basic step. We will face away from the camera to help you copy what we're doing and see exactly what is going on. We're going to start by marching in place. So we're going to step with our left foot. We go left, right, left, right, left, right, pause. Left, right, left, pause, right, left, right, pause. One more time. Left, right, left, pause, right, left, right, pause. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this forward and return to our center just with the left foot. So we'll step forward with the left, left, in place on the right, right, and left, and back to our center. Let's do that again. And left, right, left, again, left, right, left, again, left, right, left, again, left, right, left. One more time, left, right, left. Now we're going to finish out our basic step by stepping back on the right and then returning to our center. So we'll step back, right, left, right, and again, right, left, right, again, right, left, right, one more time, right, left, right. Let's do it once more, and right, left, right. And make sure that you're actually doing this with us so that you can start to get used to this. We're going to put the two steps together now. So we'll go forward on our left, slowly. Left, right, left, pause, right, left, right, pause. Left, right, left, pause, right, left, right, pause. Left, right, left, pause, right, left, right. Make sure you're doing it with us. Left, right, left, pause, right, left, right. I'll start counting it as if we're counting with the music. We go 1, 2, 3, pause on 4, 5, 6, 7, pause on 8, 1, 2, 3, pause on 4, 5, 6, 7, pause on 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, pause on 4, 5, 6, 7, pause on 8. Beautiful. So a couple details here. You notice that when we step, we're stepping with a little bit of turnout in our feet. Turnout means that instead of being completely straight or turned in, which is the worst, nobody wants to dance like this, right? We're going to turn our feet slightly out. They can be between 10 and say 45 degrees is perfect. If we were dancing ballet, we'd have this immense turnout like this, right? But salsa is not strict like that. It's much easier on the body, I would say. So we're always going to have a little bit of turnout when we step forward and a little bit of turnout even when we step backwards. So that's a really good skill to get into your muscle memory right from the very beginning. So check yourself and make sure that you're doing that. The other thing is we're taking tiny little steps. I always see beginners in class taking these huge steps, right? They go 1, 2, 3, or the back step's even worse, 5, 6, 7. And I get it, it's like we're dancing, it's exciting, we want to make it big and make it grand, but we really want these tiny little steps. When the music gets fast, that's the only way we're going to be able to keep up with the music, and it helps to keep the connection with our partner much tighter as well. And and the last thing, when we step back, we avoid putting our weight on the heel on the ground. This helps us stay a little bit forward-weighted and gives us much better control when we're dancing. It also helps us avoid stepping on the people behind us. Let's do it one more time and remember those details. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. We're turned out, our heels staying off the ground. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. We have tiny little steps. I really mean tiny steps. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. All right, that is your basic step. In the next video, we'll put it together with our partner. If you have questions, ask them in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to engage with you guys on this stuff. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button for more of these salsa training videos. Also bachata training videos and videos of me social dancing and performing and doing other crazy things in this life as a dancer here in Los Angeles. My name is Danny Kalman. This is your ultimate salsa training series, the only video series that you will ever need for the proper foundations of salsa. We will see you in the next video.